Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you room for beekeeping toolkit stocking and honey packaging room. Hello friends, good morning everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Bee Brother. Friends, I hope you are doing great today. Today I'm gonna review one house. This is beekeeping house. In this house you will see different rooms which are occupied with something. Friends, before we reach those rooms, I recommend each and every one of you, please try to do beekeeping farming. Beekeeping farming has got such an opportunity and you can generate good revenue from beekeeping practice. Friends, I'm Joseph Bosmatri, over 19 years experience on bees and beekeeping. You spend some money and try to learn modern scientific beekeeping practices. Basic knowledge you acquire and get good practical on beekeeping. That will give you long process earning and you can stand yourself without depending anyone else. If you see in global wide today, beekeeping has been promoted each and every corner by governments and societies and NGOs. So try to capture this opportunity. Friends, let's go and have a look what are the things inside the rooms. This is the house. I'm getting down now. This is step. Friends, beekeeping is really tremendous income activities that can generate for you. Let me open this door. Yes, this room is small classroom. The capacity is 25 to 30 participants. And this is the whiteboard for the trainer. Friends, whoever comes small numbers, they get better training and session in this room. Let's go to another room. Friends, this is next room. There is no light. Friends, this is the room Beehive or bee box stock room. So who were struggling to finding out, facing problem, there is no availability in your locality beehives manufacturing center, please try to contact me. You will get even 1,000 bee box if you want. It is available out here. Friends, this is the room only for bee box and beehive stocking. Let's proceed to the next room. So let's go ahead. This is room for pet jar and glass bottle. So when we harvest honey, after processing, after cleaning, we do packaging. So this room is only for stocking the bottles. We have different sizes, bottles and pet jar. I will show you. This is a 1.300 gram pet jar, and you will see here 200 gram pet jar. Next you will see 1 kilo 1000 grams pet jar, and on the other side you will see glass bottle. These are the glass bottle. In glass bottle also we have different sizes, 50 gram, and this is 250 grams bottles, 500 gram bottles we have in this room. This room is only stocking for pet jar and glass bottles. Friends, let's proceed to another room. Now I have entered this third room. This is honey packaging room. Let me on the light. Yes, friends, this is honey packaging room. After processing, we do bottling and packaging in this room. This is final product, means finishing product. We have here 500 gram, which is already filled with honey. This is glass bottle. Then we have here 1 kilo of pet jar bottle. Honey is filled here. Next, this is 1.300 gram pet jar. There are customers, they need more quantity. And we have another pet jar. This is 300 gram pet jar bottle where honey is already filled. These are all ready for sale. Next you will see this is the glass bottle. 250 gram of honey can fill here, ready for sale. Next we have small bottle. This also glass bottle. 125 gram of honey is filled here, glass bottle. Friends, amazing. So this room is only for packaging and labeling, bottling rooms. Let's go to another room. So this is another room for honey packaging. Actually this table is emptied, not much with filling bottle honey. It has been already transferred to canteen and outlet for sale. Let's go and have a look. Next room. This is the place for washing hand for the beekeepers while they are processing honey and bottling, packaging. So water is also necessary. So because we know honey need very hygienic. When we are dealing with honey, we need to clean our honey so that it will not spoil or ferment your honey by mixing unwanted foreign materials. Friends, this is all about the rooms, the different rooms I have shown you. So if you are really keen interested to come for beekeeping training, you can contact me. I'll give my contact number in my YouTube channel, especially in this video. Friends, this is all about the different rooms, what we do here. You already shown. Thank you very much. Love you.